Welcome to our video on how to use GoHenry's parental controls. Here, we'll guide you through everything you need to manage your child's finances with ease. First, let's set up the GoHenry app for parental controls. Download the app, create an account, and link your child's GoHenry card. Now, let's dive into how to set tasks for your kids. Use the app to create daily or weekly tasks that encourage responsibility. Next, let's establish and manage weekly or monthly allowances. Customize the amounts to fit your family's needs. You can set and adjust spending limits on different categories, ensuring your child learns to manage their money wisely. Keep track of your child's spending and task completion through the app. This helps reinforce good habits. Use notifications to stay updated on your child's activity. You'll know exactly when tasks are completed or money is spent. If you have more than one child, you can easily adjust settings for multiple accounts using the GoHenry app. Finally, use GoHenry as a tool for discussing financial responsibility with your kids. Encourage them to ask questions and share their experiences. Thanks for watching our guide on using GoHenry's parental controls. Encourage responsible money management, and let's empower our kids to be financially savvy.